Yeah, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel UPSC Study Circle. Well, in this video, I am going to explain Article 23 of Fundamental Rights in the Indian Constitution. Article 23 is about prohibition of trafficking and forced labor. So, this article is very important compared to all of the fundamental rights. Article 23 is very important. This is prohibition of trafficking and forced labor. So previously I have uploaded so many videos which are related to the fundamental rights only. Those articles is about article 14, article 15, article 16, article 17 and article 18, article 19, article 20, article 21, article 21a, article 22, and this one is article 23. Well, I will upload daily one video, at least one video daily, which is related to the UPSC subjects like history, polity, geography, economics, environmental science and technology, and geography. Well, every subject daily one video I will upload. I need your motivation. I need your support. Just please do subscribe. And yeah, this coming to the main point, Article 23 is about prohibition of trafficking and forced labor. Well, Article 23 prohibits the trafficking in human beings, forced labor, and other forms of exploitative labor. It ensures protection against the human exploitation and upholds human dignity and equality. Well, it is like condemnation of human dignity and personal liberty. So, Article 23 is mainly about trafficking the human being like a beggar and other similar forms like forced labor. Like the forced labor meaning is like a child is there, that child is comes under the 6 to 14 years of age. That child must and should be in a government school or any school, but he what we call, uh, we need to what we call admit in the school, like traffic in human beings, beggar and other similar forms of forced labor are prohibited, and any contravention of this provision shall be an offense and punishable in accordance with the law. Simple definition: traffic in human beings like a beggar or other similar forms of forced labor are prohibited, and any contravention of this provision shall be an offense punishable in accordance with the law. And second definition is: nothing in this article shall prevent the state from imposing compulsory service for a public purposes, and in imposing such a service, like state shall not make any discrimination on the grounds of only religion, race, caste, or class. So, of course, we know Part 3 of the Indian Constitution Fundamental Rights comes under Article 12 to 35. Well, these two definitions are very important. You can take the screenshot. And yeah, coming to this picture, we can clearly see that prohibits the human trafficking, like bans the human trafficking or prostitution and other exploitative practices that demean human dignity. And the second thing is forced and exploitation labor banned. This is the prohibits the beggar, forced labor without any payment, and similar forced labor practices under the coercion. And one more, the third line is there: punished under the law, and state can impose the public services. Well, violation of Article 23 is punishable offense. Offenders are legally prosecuted in the accordance with the law. Impact of the case law: when case is happened in 1982, that case is about People's Union for Democratic Rights versus Union of India. Well, this case is about held the term forced labor under the Article 23 includes not just a physical force but also working for less than minimum wage. Minimum wage means money, but also working for less than minimum wage, minimum money, ensuring the wider protection for labor rights. So Article 23 is about comes under labor rights also. It's happened in 1982. That case, important case is People's Union of Democratic Rights versus Union of India. Yeah. So very important definition is this Article 23. Well, Article 23 of definition 1 is traffic in human beings and beggar, and also other similar forms like forced labor or prostitution or anything are prohibited, and any contravention of this provision shall be an offense and punishable in accordance with law. And the second thing is, nothing in this article shall prevent that state from imposing compulsory services for public purposes and imposing such services. That state shall not make any discrimination on the grounds only of religion, race, caste, or class. So, and yeah, simple definition and the simple line is prohibition of trafficking and the forced labor. This article is very important. Well, yeah, I remember that one movie, that films belongs to Ram Charan. In that Nayak movie, there is a child labor is there, that he used to begging in a traffic signals. Well, in that movie explained clearly about the Article 23. So just do watch of Nayak, belongs to Ram Charan. And Article 23 prohibits the trafficking in human beings, forced and other forms of exploitation labor. And second thing is, it ensures the protection against the human exploitation and upholds the human dignity and equality. Yeah, Article 23 is about like this only. You can take the screenshot of these two definitions, and you can note these 4 points. Prohibition of human trafficking is one. Forced labor and exploitative labor banned and punished under the law, and state can impose the public services. Not only the labor, like beggar mafia, not only that, also prostitution also comes under the human trafficking. It is a punishable offense. So yeah, that's all for the video. Very important video, Article 23. And yeah, that's all for the day, guys. So please do subscribe. I need your motivation, I need your support. Please do subscribe of UPSC Study Circle. Well, you can share this video whoever or UPSC aspirants, you can share this video and reach them out. Yeah, thank you so much.